The National Marfan Foundation is proud to honor Dr. Denton Cooley with the 2010 Antoine Marfan Award. Dr. Cooley is Surgeon-in-Chief and President Emeritus of the Texas Heart Institute and Chief of Cardiovascular Surgery at St. Luke's Episcopal Hospital. During the past 50 years, while researchers have been working diligently to better understand the cause of Marfan syndrome, there have been a handful of surgeons with a special interest in aortic surgery who have been looking for more effective ways to replace and repair the Marfan aorta. Dr. Cooley led the way as a pioneer in the field, developing improved techniques for the repair of the aorta and heart valves. A 1944 graduate of Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, Dr. Cooley worked closely with the esteemed surgeon, Dr. Alfred Blaylock, as an intern and a resident. There, he continued to modify procedures for repairing aortic aneurysms in ways never done before. Dr. Cooley returned to his hometown of Houston in 1951 when another pioneering surgeon, Dr. Michael DeBakey, was establishing a cardiovascular program and offered him a faculty position at Baylor. There he continued to modify procedures for repairing aortic aneurysms in ways never done before. This surgery is literally the lifeline for people with Marfan syndrome and related disorders, who rely on it to prevent a potentially fatal tear in their enlarging aorta. Before current advances in aortic surgery, people with Marfan syndrome could only expect to live into their 40s. There was no reliable way to repair the aorta. Now, however, people with Marfan syndrome can expect to live into their 70s, but only because of the surgical techniques that have been developed by Dr. Cooley and other leading surgeons. These surgeries are also life-saving for people with other aortic diseases, including those with Loeys-Dietz syndrome, who are at risk of enlargement in arteries throughout their body. Dr. Cooley, who with his team has performed more than 100,000 heart surgeries, believes his major accomplishment has been the 1962 establishment of the Texas Heart Institute and the creation of a school of surgery. Dr. Cooley's passion extends beyond the operating room. The Denton A. Cooley building, completed in 2002 for the Texas Heart Institute, has facilities for education and research, as well as the 12 operating rooms for cardiovascular surgery. Dr. Cooley has been recognized worldwide for his accomplishments. Among his more than 120 honors and awards are the National Medal of Technology, presented by President Clinton in 1999, and the Medal of Freedom, the nation's highest civilian award, presented by President Reagan in 1984. Dr. Cooley's legacy lives on in many ways, from the patients' lives he has saved through his surgical innovations to the surgeons who perform his techniques every day to save people with Marfan syndrome and other conditions that affect the heart and aorta. Today, the NMF is proud to honor Dr. Denton Cooley with our 2010 Antoine Marfan Award. We are thrilled to recognize him for his pioneering work in cardiovascular surgery that has contributed to the care of people with Marfan syndrome and related disorders.